I am hungry. Is there a restaurant nearby? Yes, of course. Is it far from here? No, it takes 10 minutes. Oh, really? That's great. Hello. Do you have any free tables? Hello. Yes, follow me, please. Can I take your coat? Yes, please. Could we have a menu, please? Here it is, sir. Can I take your order? We are not ready yet. What do you recommend? I can offer you full steak and a roast duck. What is this dish? This dish very spicy. Thank you for the recommendation.
For starters, we'll have the salad, and for the main course, we would like a steak and a roast duck.
Would you like something to drink? I would like red wine. Do you have wine by the glass? Yes, of course.
Just a minute, please. We are 2 persons, that's why we would like a bottle of red wine.
Okay, would you like anything else? Nothing else, thank you. I will be right back with your order. You are so kind. Enjoy your meal. Can we get the check, please? I will bring the check right now. Are you paying together? No, we are paying separately.
Excuse me, can we pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you, it was delicious.
You are welcome. Come again.